and Wilmington, has issued a flood warning for Fayette, Union, and Wayne counties in Indiana, and Auglaize, extreme northwestern Champaign, extreme northwestern Clark, dark northwestern Logan, Mercer, Miami, northwestern Montgomery, Preble and Shelby counties in Ohio, until 12:15 p.m. Heavy rain of 2.5 inches to over 5 inches has fallen across the warned area in the past 24 hours. This rainfall on very saturated ground has led to widespread flooding. Local law enforcement reported that many roads across this area remain closed due to high water. Additional rainfall will be less than 1/4 of an inch, but the high water will be very slow to recede. Some locations that are in the warning include Salina,